How to change between the navigation buttons or switch over to the swipe gestures, and this is for a Nothing phone with Android 15. Whether you want to go with the three buttons down there or the swipe gestures, go ahead and pull down the quick access like this here, and you'll see the little settings toggle to the very bottom. Once you tap on that here, you'll be able to find all the different settings found on your Nothing phone. And once you can do this here, type in the search bar navigation mode. All right, you'll see that show up here. And once you see that, the first option here, tap on it. And then it'll tell you where to go. It's going to flash for you. And once you enter here, you'll be able to choose between these options. So if you went with the three buttons before, you'll be on this here, and you'll see the settings option, which will give you other options as to like switch around the buttons here, having the back switched out with the recents mode, and it's up to you to make that decision. Now when you come out of here also, you have this here where you long press the home button, which I'm sure some of you guys, you would feel annoyed by that, and if you don't want that, just turn this one off here. Okay, so that would be that option. So if you do decide to go with the swipe gestures, you'll select this option right here, and this is now going to give you a whole different game in terms of navigating your phone. Your circle to search will be turned off if you turned it off previously, but go ahead and turn it on if you need it. Then you'll see the settings icon next to the gestures one here. So just like the three button, you also have these other options. So if you want to hide this bar down here, this little notch looking thing here, you can turn this on here. So that's going to prevent it from showing up. You also got the mistouch prevention. This is not like pocket mode. This is different. If you're using gestures and you're playing something that would allow you to perform a swipe or a gesture, and it might think you probably performed the recents or go back, this is going to help prevent that, okay? And then you got the swipe to invoke the assistance there. So if you're looking for assistance, digital assistance, and you're swiping from the bottom corner here, from going up like this here, that's gonna get that up for you. And to go back when you're into the swipe gestures, it's swiping from left or right to left. And you want to increase the sensitivity, you'll use these here, and you'll notice this little blue highlight here. This is my left sensitivity, and then the right sensitivity is going to show up here on the right side of the screen. And it's going to help increase or decrease the sensitivity of the swipe gestures. And that's that. Like and sub.